Poster projects. What a great way to share student learning. Walk the hallways of South Elgin and you will see great products of the poster lessons that teachers have developed. Students can walk by and see some of the great learning taking place in your classroom. What if you could make them online? There are some great benefits to publishing student work. It gives students a wider audience. Not only will the classmates see their work, but also anyone who has access to the internet could see it. It encourages students to produce high-quality work. This product will go beyond the teacher assessing it. When the student knows others will view it, they will create the best product they can. Students take pride in their work. One of the tools that I have found that allows students to create online products is Padlet. Padlet is an easy-to-use free website with many user-friendly functions. Let's take a look at what Padlet does. Once you sign on to Padlet and create an account, you'll be able to create new Padlet walls. This is something that's very easy for the students to do as well. All they need to do is use their student Gmail ID to create a Padlet account. Once you're at the dashboard, if you click New Padlet, the website creates a Padlet wall for you. If you look at the right, these are all of the functions of Padlet. You can create a new Padlet. It shows the user who signed in. You can share and export the Padlet, which is great for sharing your students' work. You can get more information, and this function, to modify the Padlet, the cogwheel, is where you would go to set up the Padlet page. The first thing to do is select a portrait image that you want to use for the Padlet. The title is where you would give the title for whatever the project might be. Let's say, for example, the students are looking at the Fourth Amendment. Here is where you just would type in the description. This would be the title for your Padlet page or your poster. You can also change the background wallpaper. The layout, I always suggest that the students put it in grid format. This makes it very easy for them to establish how the Padlet will be laid out. Under privacy settings, here the students can actually share the Padlet and they could work collaboratively with others. If they make it password protected and write in a simple password, change the setting to can write, and now all they have to do is share the link to this Padlet, and anyone who has the password can write on it as well. I always have the students change the address to something simple. And if you notice when you do this, that the address to the Padlet changes to a simple URL that any student could type in to find the page. Once they've done this, the Padlet is ready to go. Here is where you would enter the information. Just by double-clicking on the wall, the students can add an entry. So for example, let's say they want to put in the text of the Fourth Amendment. And below you can add links. So if we went to a new Google site and type in the Fourth Amendment, and simply the students could copy this link and connect that content to that entry. And with each entry, there's a number of different options they could do. They could upload a document, or they could even take a photo if they have a webcam. If you would like more information on how to use Padlet or are interested in Snagit, the screencasting that I use to make this, feel free to contact me. I will also share this presentation with you so you can use the additional links that are provided. Thank you for your time.